New Weapons Channel. Today we will see how the heads of the delegations of the defense agencies of the CIS member states, who arrived in Tula for the meeting of the Council of Defense Ministers of the Commonwealth, visited one of the largest weapons Russian plants, Design Bureau of Instrumentation named after academician A.G. Shipanov. The participants of the meeting of defense ministers of the Commonwealth countries toured the production site of KBP-JSC, where serial production of heavy military equipment is carried out. The guests got acquainted with the multi-purpose missile system, Kornet-EM, on the wheeled chassis, Typhoon-K, BMP-2M with a combat compartment, Berezhok, and SAM system, Panzer S-1. They were also presented with the Malachit automated fire control system for artillery units and samples of small arms and grenade launchers, which have already confirmed their high quality and effectiveness. Weapons designers gave explanations on each sample. They answered in detail all the questions of the heads of foreign military delegations. In particular, the guests were interested in the PP-200 submachine gun produced by KBP-JSC, created on the basis of the decision of the Russian Minister of Defense to complete the Portable Emergency Stockpile, abbreviated as NAZ, of pilots based on the experience of the operation in Syria. Army General Sergei Shoigu personally explained this weapon to his colleagues. He spoke in detail about the design of the submachine gun, its high tactical and technical characteristics. The submachine gun for the NAZ is characterized by an increased range of fire, increased magazine capacity up to 40 rounds, several types of ammunition used, various firing modes, including silent. The heads of delegations of the CIS member states were able to evaluate the Russian military products. All about the Russian T-14 Armata tank. See the link. See you soon on the channel.